Hi, good day everybody. Thank you for coming back. In today's episode, I'm doing finishing the drywall in the kitchen and also installing the panel behind the stove, like the protective panel, and then painting the walls. And yeah, the panel was a little bit of a challenge to put it because it's only glued there. There's nothing else to hold it. So thank you for coming and enjoy. All right, that's it for today. Looks so much better. So the panel will go from just under the stove here to about there at the hood fan, and up to about here in line with that to the window, and then under the window there'll be another one. I'm getting ready to install this panel. So the panel is cut ready, and I got some prop to push it against the wall, and that's it. So I've almost finished doing the drywall, a piece here and then that piece there. And that piece is difficult because you can see the electric panel is there. So I have to slide it behind it. And in this corner here, I think I mentioned before, that's where the main entrance, electrical entrance. So I had to work around it. And I can't, well, I don't have enough money to get it changed this year. So I'll leave it there for now. And next year I'll have it changed. And then when we change it, we'll put it on the other side. So they'll be able to keep this one going and have the new one. So let's see how that goes in. So I cut the panel for where the wires go. You can see from behind. So the wires go in there. And then I cut a groove at the top. And I'll put a piece of wood to cover that so that the wires can still pass through. All right, so the putty is done. Now it's sanding, which is very messy. Gotta remove everything from here, and tomorrow painting. All right, yeah, that's a messy part. All sanding is done. Always looks like a disaster after. I have a attic fan, so it draws some of that dust away, keeping it from the other part of the house. But still, there's so much, even with a vacuum. All right, so clean it up, and tomorrow let's paint. Cleaned up and reorganized. All right, the painting started, so you can see it's going to be nice and bright, like sunshine. It's called Fresh Lemon. So of course the cutting takes a lot of time, and then the first coat too takes so much paint, but then next coats takes less. All right, the painting is done. So it takes a day for the paint to get its opacity, and that we can still see some shades in it, but after one day it becomes opaque. Looks nice. So there will be a door there, and I have some leftover from my previous kitchen, so door will be kind of like light orange like the other one over there, so that'll be a nice contrast. So below the sink, above the sink, I guess, below the window, there'll be that like special panel, waterproof. And also on this side here, because we're going to be working there, so it'll be easy to wash, and on that little strip over there. So the counter is about 80 centimeters high, so there'll be about 25 centimeters here. All right. So yeah, tomorrow I'll do that. The paint will be dry enough. And yeah, the paint, even though all this will be covered, there'll be the cupboard up there and the sink here, it helps to seal the walls, so it makes it more airtight.